Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my last YouTube video, I talked about one of Instagram's newest features, the ability to pin posts to the top of your profile. In this video, I'm going to talk about yet another Instagram update, this time for Instagram Reels. I don't know about you, but I'm struggling to keep up with the almost constant updates. This is what Adam Mosseri, head of Instagram, said about the newest update.
We've been trying to make Instagram do better by video while still doing right by photos long term. And this week we have a number of announcements about how to improve Reels on Instagram.
So, the idea of these updates are to improve Instagram Reels, just in case you thought Instagram was pushing out these almost daily changes just to irritate you and give you more stuff to learn and figure out.
The biggest being that we're going to now have one video format on Instagram. We want Instagram to be simple and easy to use.
To be fair, one video format does indeed make Instagram easier to use. I can't tell you how many hours I've spent trying to explain the difference between the different Instagram content formats to bloggers, website owners, and small business owners. After giving Instagram TV the boot back in October of 2021, it seems that streamlining videos and focusing on those short, sweet, 9:16 videos is what the platform is going to focus on. So, if you're freaking out about the merge and wondering how it will affect you, don't worry too much. We've already had one video merge and survived it, when Instagram TV and in-feed videos merged into one.
And so all videos moving forward on Instagram are going to be Reels.
I'm just going to repeat what Adam said there. All videos on Instagram are going to be Reels. At the moment, when you upload a video to Instagram, it asks you whether or not you want to share it as a reel or a video. This will no longer be the case going forward. You will only have one option once your Instagram app has updated, and that will be Reels only.
And that doesn't mean that every video has to be a dancing video or a lip-syncing video, but
I'm thankful for this little note from Adam, to be honest. I'm not a dancing, lip-syncing girl. Those videos just irritate me, but I do appreciate that they are trends to be jumped on and used for growth. I honestly wish I didn't hate them as much as I did.
it means that when you create a video on Instagram, you'll have access to all of those tools. So there'll just be one video format on Instagram, and it will be Reels.
So, that's what Adam Mosseri, head of Instagram, had to say about the new videos and Reels merge update. He does go on to talk about other new Instagram features for Reels, but I'm going to save that part for my next video. Let's focus on understanding and using one feature/update at a time, shall we?
But what does all of that information really mean for me? What will I need to do differently with my Reels going forward?
Here are all of the things that will change, as well as all of the ways you'll need to tweak your Instagram marketing strategy to see growth following the newest update. Number 1. Your screen will change. At the moment, there are two different tabs for your video content. One of them is actual video content, and the other is all of your Reels. At some point, the Instagram app will update and those two symbols will merge into one, and that will be the Reels symbol. Number 2. You will need to start creating more 9:16 video content. Alternatively, you will need to adapt your content so that it looks good in a 9:16 setting. This probably sounds a bit scary and overwhelming, but it genuinely doesn't need to be as bad as you think. 9:16 is portrait mode, so it is best to create content or film videos that way. However, there are ways of tweaking 1:1 and 3:4 content so that it works on a 9:16 backdrop. In fact, keep your eyes peeled because I have a video on how to create super quick video content for Reels coming really soon. I'm very excited to share it with you. You'll find it quite handy, I think. Number 3. Your content will need to get shorter and sweeter. Reels and videos on Instagram are different in the fact that Reels are short, snappy, and to the point, and videos are usually slightly longer and go into more depth or detail. With the merge of Reels and videos, you will need to start adapting your video content so that it is shorter, gets to the point quicker, and properly engages your audience. We will learn so much more about the new Instagram Reels update when it is rolled out. Annoyingly, at the time of publishing this video, none of my Instagram accounts had updated to the new layout, with videos and Reels merged. As soon as I have that new layout, you can be sure that I'll come right back here and show you. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, too. All of the sneak peeks happen over there. I hope you found this video useful today, but please let me know if you have any questions, or would like to suggest another video tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more social media marketing and content creation tips and tricks. Have a fabulous day.